My time on YouTube has been a challenging but incredibly transformative one. I've learned so many new skills and learned so many new lessons about myself, content creation, and much, much more. So here's how YouTube changed my life with nearly 500 subscribers. So my journey with YouTube goes all the way back to 2019. I have been creating art and greeting card content on Instagram since 2016 under the same name, but I felt like something was missing. I wanted to show the process of how I created my art. Thus, Handmade by Vaishna, the channel, was born. But what you guys don't know is what led up to me creating my content back in 2019. I actually have been wanting to create my channel since 2018, but I was too scared and I didn't really know how to create video content. So I spent literally 6 months just researching how to create YouTube videos. So when you start out as a YouTuber, you're going to be wearing a lot of different hats, whether that be editing, filming, just coming up with scripts. There's so many different roles that you have to fill, and you're going to have to all be doing it by yourself. But that means you have a treasure trove of all these valuable skills that you can be using in any job that you go into the future. For my YouTube channel, I wasn't as confident with public speaking, but after taking video after video over the past 5 years, I can say for a fact that my public speaking and confidence has gone through the roof. The reason being is that you really need to show up as your most confident self, most engaging self, to keep your viewers watching. And on the same note of public speaking, it also drastically improved my storytelling skills because I had to create an engaging narrative for each and every one of these videos. And also I had analytics and comments, which definitely helped me improve with each video. Also, balancing my YouTube channel with all my other extracurriculars and my education definitely taught me time management and organization. Just trying to create one video that's about 5 minutes long can take upwards of about 10 to 15 hours a week. So it's kind of like a part-time job. With YouTube and the ever-changing creative landscape, it's important to come up with ideas that are engaging and creative and unique for your audiences. So YouTube has definitely inspired me to be a lot more creative and think outside the box. With each YouTube video, I feel like I'm exercising my creative muscle and really trying to see how I can go about a topic differently compared to other people. But there have been times where I have felt some creative block. So I'm really working on how to be more creative and showing up as my most creative self on this platform. Another great skill that I learned from YouTube is how to create a personal brand around yourself. Because before YouTube, I thought of myself as someone who had a lot of different skills, but not really a cohesive brand. But with my time on YouTube and a lot of research and seeing how other creators market themselves, I'm really learning what my personal brand is and how to market myself as a creator. Before YouTube, I definitely would say I was outspoken, but I didn't really feel like I had a platform to really speak my mind on a topic or really share any advice that I had. But luckily, YouTube has given me a platform to share my advice and my opinions with a larger audience and see other people like engage and give their own opinions as well. Unlike Instagram before Reels and Facebook, I really feel like YouTube was one of the first platforms where we could really be our true selves and share our creativity and opinions to a larger audience. Another huge thing that I also appreciate about YouTube is its community aspect and the fact that I can connect with so many unique people like you from across the world. And for me, I haven't even begun to comprehend that that's like a thing. Like, you see numbers, but it's like crazy that each one of you is like actually a person. So that to me is like amazing that there's just like this community of people on the internet who connect through, shared values, conversations, or even just interests. These 5 years on YouTube have been great for the lessons, but not without the challenges. One challenge that I ran into while trying to create this channel was executing the idea. Sometimes executing an idea would take a lot longer than I expected, or it'd be a lot more effort logistically, or I maybe just simply didn't have the budget for it. Another challenge that I ran into is not posting an idea over fear of it not performing for the algorithm or being received well by my audience. But as I've said to my subscribers in the past, I really want to focus on quality content as opposed to quantity content. So I think I'm just gonna keep doing that because I really want you guys to enjoy what I put out there. For me, since I started watching YouTube, it took me almost 5 to 6 years to even consider becoming a creator myself. So if you're a creator who's just starting out, or if you've been creating for a while and you're trying to get monetized, My advice to anyone who is on YouTube and is trying to go through this journey is to just start. It will take a lot of time, effort, consistency, and research to get your channel going, but trust me, it is worth it. And if you're trying to figure out your niche, it's okay, because it does take some time and experimentation to see what topics resonate with people, but also what you're passionate about. So keep persevering and learning, and remember why you created this channel in the first place, to bring joy and value into people's lives, one video at a time. Thank you so much for almost 500 subscribers, and thank you for your love and support over these past 5 years. This journey has been a long, but it's been a great one, and I can't wait to see where this journey takes us. And until next time, bye-bye.